We got Fireman McLeod here with the SCBA, also known as a self-contained breathing apparatus. We're going to go over some of the components of this SCBA, how to don it and doff it, talk about some of the features of this SCBA. Go ahead and pick it up. So on board the Ronald Reagan, we have two sizes. We have a 30-minute bottle and we have a 45-minute bottle. They both are around 4,500 PSI. The 30-minute bottles are going to be worn by your investigators, and your 45-minute bottles are going to be worn by your fire teams and your boundary men. So some of the key components of this bottle right here is your first stage regulator, which is right here. It takes our pressure from our bottle from 4,500 PSI to 100 PSI. From there, it's going to go down to your second stage regulator. Your second stage regulator is going to take it down to 0.5 or atmospheric breathing pressure, so that way you can make sure that you breathe and you're not getting overpressurized. Some of the other features on here to make sure that you can tell what your air is at, because you want to make sure that you have 4,000 pounds or higher, is going to be your pressure gauge right here. Make sure that it's in the green, and then you have one that is on the bottom of the bottle. As you can see where we're pointing at right there. All right, one of the key features of this SCBA bottle is on your second stage regulator, you have a vibrant alarm. When you get down to 1,000 PSI, it's going to start to vibrate and it's going to let you know that it is time to evacuate your space. You also have your bell alarm, and that gives you a key indication of noise to let you know, it's time to evacuate the space. Now we're going to have Fireman McLeod go ahead and don it. This is known as the coat method, putting it on just like a coat. You want to get it up. With this right here, because you will be wearing this SCBA for an extended amount of time, you want to make sure that you have the weight resting on your hips. If it's on your shoulders, it will start to dig into your shoulders and make it uncomfortable for you while you're in there fighting a fire. All right, now you got your face mask. Go ahead and don it. All right, go ahead and put your flash gear. With these ones, what we issue here on the Reagan is we issue these gold flash hoods. These are going to be for your fire teams, your boundary men, and then we have a silver one that is issued to repair locker members that are set in zebras, stuff like that. All right, when you put your flash hood on, you want to make sure that you don't have any exposed skin or hair sticking out of your flash hood to cause any kind of damage while you're in there fighting a fire. Next, we got our firefighting helmet. First strap is Velcro, then you got your clip. All right, go ahead and go on air. All right, when you pressurize your bottle, you will hear it click like that. That's just giving you an indication that you have air. You want to go ahead and check your pressure gauge. Make sure that you got pressure going into your bottle so you can see it. All right, good to go. All right, when putting on your regulator, your second stage regulator, you want to put the red knob, your purge valve, to the sky. All right, go ahead. You're going to hear a click. Take a deep breath. Once you take a deep breath, it's going to engage your second stage regulator, and it's going to supply your oxygen for you. So now you can just breathe at a normal rate. All right, go ahead and take off your second stage regulator. All right, so on your second stage regulator, to help you take it off, is you have a clip that is on the side. Show the clip that's on the side of the second stage regulator. All right, so when you go ahead to take off your second stage regulator, you want to undo your clip, pull it away from you. You're going to hit your air saver switch, and you are going to turn your second stage regulator back up and out. That will save your air. All right? And that is how you don an SCBA. One of the key components to when you're taking off the SCBA is making sure that you extend all your straps. That way, the next person that needs to put it on during a casualty, it's not set to your body type, because everybody's body type is different. Make sure you secure your bottle, the air to your bottle, and you purge your second stage. And there you have it.